Currently, the Amazon Prime Video app is unavailable on the Switch store, which means you can't directly watch Amazon Prime Video on your Switch. This video will show you a workaround for this issue. In short, to watch Amazon Prime Video on your Switch, you can save and upload the video to YouTube, then play it through the YouTube app on your Switch. For high-quality, fast, and stable downloads of Amazon Prime Video, a dedicated video downloader is required. In this guide, let's take MovePilot as an example and see how it works. MovePilot is the perfect tool for downloading Prime Video content. It lets you save videos in common formats like MP4 and transfer them to any device. You can check the description below to get a free trial. First of all, launch MovePilot and log in to your Amazon account. Then, find the video you want to save by pasting the URL or searching its title. You can adjust settings such as output format, audio, and subtitles in the settings menu. Click this blue button to start saving. With 5 times faster download speed than average, it'll be ready in no time. Click History to find the downloaded video and then upload it to YouTube. Finally, install YouTube from the Nintendo eShop on your Switch, and you're all set to watch the uploaded video. That's it for today's video. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.